In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily tag people on Instagram posts. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then hit at your profile picture, hit at that plus sign and select post. That will open up your camera roll. You can scroll down and select any picture, just like that. Then just hit at next. On that step you are able to add some effects. You can use this auto adjust feature. And once you have finished with that, you can just hit on next, and that's where you can tag people. In order to do that, just hit at tag people, and then you can just tap at that photo. That will open up the search, where you can just type in someone's username, and once you find the user, you can just hit on it, and that will add this tag to the photo. You can move it around, you can place it over the person's picture if there is a person on that photo, and in the same way you can add other users doing the same steps, just like that. Once you have finished with that, you can hit at done, and then you can hit at share to share this post with your followers. Keep in mind that all the people that are tagged will be notified about you shared a post. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.